Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensor, you got a backup camera, we do got some nice black trims that adds the nice pop to the white coloring, blind spot detection, the nice XLT logo. And moving to the front, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, 6 additional seat, USB-C, and a 12-volt cup holders. Got a carpeted interior as well, plenty of door space, and you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Got your lights and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 64,353 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel. You got your toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have our trip 1, driving assist, fuel economy, eco coach, and your calm screen. To my right, we got cup holders, you got a external phone slot, storage here, your 6 additional seat with storage below. You got storage here as well with USB-C, and a hook. You got your drive modes, 4-wheel drive, and a nice little coin slot. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and all the way over here we get tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look over here, you got your climate controls, you do get a 12-volt and USB-C, and you do get storage above and below, storage right here as well. Clicking here, we do get our backup camera, which is pretty handy. We have our hazards, traction, your media controls right here, and with this vehicle you do get your navigation, audio phone, Amazon Alexa, and Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, all that fun. You got your phone capabilities right here, your navigation, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, which is apparently everywhere. We got our apps, or any apps you may download will show up right here, with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, there's that Amazon Alexa, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7865, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.